Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Long time no see, you guys! In today's video, I'll be sharing some tips on how to have a bubble-free manicure. Okay, so the tips that I'll be sharing with you guys is yung mga napansin ko lang na nag-work for me. This is not totally all of the tips na pwede ko ma-share sa inyo na makapagpapatanggal or makapagpapaiwas sa inyo sa pagbubbles ng inyong nail polish sa inyong nails. And if you guys have some tips na nagawa nyo, you can share it on the comment section below. If you have already selected a shade that you'll be using, don't shake it rapidly like this. This will create bubbles agad-agad sa nail polish nyo before applying it. I suggest na ibaliktad nyo siya like this for 20 seconds or i-roll natin siya ng dahan-dahan sa ating palm. Then wait for a minute or two before applying it onto the nails. When applying nail polish, it's best to wipe off the other side completely like this. Then medyo ipat lang natin yung other side para hindi maging too thick or too thin yung pag-apply natin ng nail polish sa ating nail. This will also make your nail polish to dry even faster. See to it that there's no direct air blowing onto your nails. And never nyo pong hipan yung nails nyo para mag-dry. This will only create bubbles onto your freshly painted nails. Just wait hanggang mag-dry yung first layer ng nail polish. Then if sa tingin nyo medyo dry na siya, try tapping it lightly. Check nyo if nagmark yung fingerprint nyo sa nails. If not, then it's time to apply a second coat. Then tada! Here's a bubble-free nail polish application. And then to finish this look, lagyan natin ng longwear top coat. And now we have a super glossy and bubble-free manicure. I hope this video helps you out, guys! If you have any other video suggestions, video requests, just leave them on the comment section below. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!